What y'all heckers doing? Y'all on the roosting bark? Millie, don't you dare start stuff. Go. Hey, chickies. Some of y'all back here. Y'all over there. What are y'all trying to do? Nugget, what are you trying to do? Nugget, Judy, or Hennessy, actually. YouTube, that is not. That's just the name. Hennessy is just a name. Nugget, what are you doing? There's Buttercup. There's Belle. There's Millie right there. Are y'all trying to escape right now? No. Ever since this fence came down, y'all going crazy. Judy. Judy Patootie. Just came out here to check up on the chickens. There's two right here. Hey, yo. Can I pet you? Chicks usually like to go in corners. Which one are you? You might be Pippi? No, not Pippi. It might be Lizzie. Where's Persephone? Persephone might be this one or that one. Some chickens like to be pet. Hey. Y'all always doing this. Y'all fighting over grass now? Nugget, did you just peck at my shoe? Nugget, really? Why are you pecking at my shoe? Why? Why, Nugget? Well, you gonna try too?